Hello beautiful people and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'm just going to be demonstrating how I achieved these passion twists. Well, I'd call them passion / rope twists, but I know where I messed up, so I'll walk you through that as well later. Oh yeah, quick disclaimer, I know that my edges are a bit but yeah, we move. So I'll leave all the good stuff about how many packs I used and what hair I used, even though it was demonstrated right there, in the description below. So you just need to get yourself some edge control. I'm using the argan oil and some eco style jam looking thing. Then I'm doing the rubber band method, so you'll just see me parting my hair here and struggling because I had a mirror in front of me but I didn't have one behind me, so it was pretty difficult to get the line straight. So I did have my little brother helping me out to try and like guide me in a way. I just kept asking him, is it straight, and he kept saying no, it's like so yeah, I just gave up on that, but I thought I'd just show you guys where I would kind of want my back partings to be. So yeah, here you go. So then I just decided to scrap the whole idea of parting it from the back and get my mum to help me do the back, and I just thought I'd do the front. So here you can just see me parting the front out. And this would technically be like, if I was to have a half up half down, this would be the hair that I would use for that. So I did want them quite chunky, so I did the partings fairly big, I suppose, more like a jumbo style. Now when it comes to partings, if I'm doing it on somebody else, this part kind of does take me quite a while. Like when I did this on myself for this style, it probably took me about 20 minutes to do the front, and then my mum, she just did them quick, like super quick, like 10 minutes. I was like, wow, that was quick. But if I'm usually doing it on someone else, it probably takes me about a good hour and a half, but that's because I like if the lines aren't straight, it really starts to frustrate me, and I know that the line is not straight here, so watching it back was just like you know, I was so mad, but it's okay because, you know, once they're in there, I mean, I can't really tell, so it's alright. But guys, I know that these lines are just not straight. So I saw this hairstyle on Instagram and I was scrolling through from an Instagrammer. She's called Rachel Angelica. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, she did a hairstyle that I was like, ooh, that is super cute. So this is basically what I was trying to achieve, even though it looks completely different. But yeah, this is the reason why I did a middle parting and so on and so forth. So in total I have 33 partings, 14 in the front and 19 in the back. So yeah, I was going for 30, but you know, 33 it'll do. But yeah, I was trying to be super quick with this hairstyle because, you know, I was against time and I had to hurry up. So if you're looking for a hairstyle that you can do fairly quick, then this is the go-to. So here I'm just showing you all the front, you know, that good stuff. And then this is basically kind of like the style that I'm going to want, so I was just making sure that the two front ones dropped where I'd want them to drop. And as you can see, these are my mum's lovely partings, so I was like, yes girl, they're straight, hey. But basically what I just asked her to do is just part them and then loosely bobble them so I could put the gel to slick them down, which, like I said, she parted those super quick. I was like, so as you can see, I'm just, you know, making them smooth, tightening the bands, and then here you go, they're looking snatched. Yep. So to start this, you just want to take a few strands of hair. I took 2 black strands and 1 of the blonder brown strands, and then 1 piece of Marley hair, and yeah, fluff them out to make them, the twists, a bit more juicy, and then I'm just braiding them in. in the beginning. I will walk you through how I do this again because, you know, I feel like I've got a better angle later on. But yeah, I just started by braiding the hair in, and then as you'll see, I twist the hair. That was not a good explanation, oh my gosh. So yeah, I just did the normal braid like how you would do box braids, and then I parted my hair. That was my natural hair there. I parted that and I added that into 2 sections of the added hair, and I started twisting it. So now this is where I went wrong, and it started turning into rope twists instead of passion twist. So a passion twist, they're supposed to look kind of like lived in, and you're just supposed to go with the curl pattern of the hair. But I didn't do that. I started twisting each side of the hair and then twisting it together to create a rope twist. So I just basically did the wrong technique, but they do kind of look a bit lived in. I don't know if it's because I use Marley hair as well, but yeah. Quick little shout out to my little brother for being my amazing cameraman and let me know when I was in the shot, and you know. So these are supposed to be short. Now to me this style is short because I like long, like booty long, you know. But yeah, I kind of made them more like medium. So if I was to do this again, I'd probably go a bit shorter, being a bit more daring. But I was scared, guys, because my hairstyle before this, I just really did not like it, and I was like, I can't be affording to, you know, waste all that time doing a hairstyle that I didn't like. But yeah, anyways, so as I carried on twisting the hair, I added some of that Eco Styler jam thing into my hair just to kind of gel it together. So now I'm gonna attempt to try and walk you through how you do these twists properly. So first of all, I take some of that argan oil edge control, and I put that through the whole part of my hair. And then I take the fluffed out piece of extension and I grab hold of the rubber band, and I basically start braiding all the hair using my hair as the third strand, and then I half my natural hair into one section of the extension hair, keep braiding a little bit more, and then as you can see I get the remaining part of my natural hair and I twist it into the other strand that doesn't have my natural hair in. So now my hair is equally divided. So then what I do is I get each side, each strand, and I start rolling it in between my index finger and my thumb, and then I start twisting the hair together, and this basically like locks the twist in, but it does create that rope effect. So depending on what twist you want, you know, you can do that technique. Oh gosh, I hope you guys understand how I'm trying to explain this. Like, I hope it's coming across correct. I mean, it is pretty self-explanatory to watch and copy, but you know, I'm not the best at describing things, but I tried. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring out the length that I need to twist it down, and after I've finished twisting, this is one thing that I should have done for all of them, is just let go, and it would have naturally kind of unraveled a bit to make them a bit thicker, but as you could see I was kind of playing with it there because I already put the band on then twisted it. But here I'm just cutting the ends of the fluffy bits I don't need. Again, really this hairstyle should have been up to like my chin, but I was a bit scared to go that short. So now I'm just adding some hair mousse. I mean, I don't really think that this made a difference for me personally, but you know, I mean, this is just what you do, so I just did it. And then I wrapped that up. I went under the blow dryer real quick and then came back, took it out, and this is how short it would look in. So now this is basically the hairstyle finished. I'm just slaying those edges. Yes girl, get it, get it, get it. And I wasn't really feeling, I did a half up half down style, but I wasn't really feeling it, so I basically did a bun, like kind of like a messy top knot looking bun, and I was gonna have 2 braids out at the front, but I just decided to go with 1, and I added some jewels to that just to, you know, jazz it up a little. But if you are gonna do the half up half down or whatever style, adding a scrunchie makes it look extra cute, but I didn't have a scrunchie, so you know. But there you go, guys, that is the finished look. I'm actually really happy with how this came out, even though I was going for passion twist, but I really like this style, so yeah. But make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.